Hold on, Mommy's gotta get her tummy ready. Say go.
Come on, Calissa, back in the water. Let's go.
See, she's swimming, Sierra. You ready? Here, grab my hand.
Come on.
Swim, Calissa.
Woo, let's go.
Good job.
To jump. Who's gonna jump?
What?
What do you mean, what?
Chili.
Get your goggles. You can swim under the water.
Okay.
Oh, Christopher got the shark.
All done. See, now
Good
it's not
job,
so
Disney.
Austin.
cold.
And Jordan. Jordan, say hi. Don't squirt the camera, you goofball.
Daddy's dressed in
Say hi, Brandon.
Swim a little bit with you. Use your arms. You gotta dig with your
There's Gigi. There's Gigi swimming. Gigi, show mommy how you swim. Good job, Gigi.
How did you get over there?
The happy campers.
Jeanette's just in there working away. I put 100 calories and I'll get ice cream. He's working.
Jordan. Sorry.
No, it's okay.
Jordy.
Did he squirt you? You can touch it, but you don't touch. Good. You always squirt me.
If you do it again, you're going to get out of the swimming pool. It's duck until you can be nice, you can have a pool. You
Did you get it? Calissa, you got to use your arms.
I can't get it.
Honey, you have to use your arms. Throw the ring down.
This.
But you got to use your arms, babe. Calissa, just like when you're swimming, you got to use your arms. Throw the ring in the pool. Throw the ring in the pool. I don't want it back over here. Throw it. Turn around and throw it.
Sierra.
Calissa, don't be sassy, okay?
Okay, I'm gonna try. I'll try.
Throw it. Throw it.
No, I can't.
Put the ring down and throw it.
Use your arms,
Okay, go.
Sierra.
Okay.
Use your arms, Sierra.
Did you get it, Calissa? Did you get it? You were close.
Nana, she's in there.
Let's lay the bottom. Wait, dip.
Calissa, I heard you mouth.
This is a frisbee. You want to watch Mommy do it?
Go and swim and get it.
I cannot.
Go.
You can. Jeanette.
Okay, now throw it out there. Good. Throw it out there.
I got the shark.
If you if we don't see her somewhere, we'll
I got it.
remind her.
Okay, thanks. Get out. There you go. Keep going.
Get it.
Atta, come on.
Use your arms.
You want to jump to me?
Good job. You got to use your arms, Calissa.
My eyes are.
Honey, you just have to get used to it. Fine, then take it off. You're just dying. Get out of the way of the camera. I said take it off if it bothers you that much. Hi, Gigi. Gigi. Gigi, I do it. I do it. Gianna. Gigi.
Miss Heather.
What, honey?
What's this? I don't have it. It's over there.
Brennan. Judith.
I got the deep side.
Gianna, walk.
No, it's not.
We're at Terry and Randy's country club. Innsbruck, I think is what it's called. That's Christopher, Randy's son. Brandon 5, Jordan just, I'm sorry, Austin just turned 4. Calissa 5.5. Jordan is still 3. Say hi, Jordan.
Good job. I know you did. Use your arms. Good. Those are good arms.
The purple what, sweetie?
Gigi, get the shark, baby. Gigi, come here.
Purple shirt?
See, look how strong you are.
Shark?
Shark.
Purple shark? Where's that at?
It's right over here.
Oh, it's a whale, sweetie.
Whale. Swim to it. Swim all the way over and get it.
Here it is. Over here by
Do
the
your
light.
arms. There you go.
Gigi, my good swimmer who loves the pool.
I hold that.
That's a whale. There you go. Very good.
Well, now wait a minute. So
He's going to let Sierra get Sierra.
Calissa, you gonna do something with that other than eat it?
That's the number 3. That's how many you are.
Calissa, please stop it. Gigi, what is that? Snake. Gigi, let mommy see. Show mommy. Gigi, show mommy.
Okay, say hi to Daddy.
All right, jump.
Okay, 1, 2. Gianna, don't do that. Hold on. Melissa, you guys have got to jump out. Okay, try again.
You know what it is she's throwing her feet out like this, so it puts her
You
feet
just
back.
really did that time, really bad.
She's done it a couple times.
Come here, over here, over here. Hold on, stop. Okay, you guys jump at the same time. Gianna. That was better. Okay, Melissa. Jump. Well, that was real smart. You need to land with your feet first, not your belly. You hear me? Jump up and out.
Can you throw me one of those
Up.
hoses?
Come on, Gigi, jump. Jump to mommy.
One of the hoses that goes.
Good girl.
I don't know. Everyone got it off the wall.
Look, now come here. Jump up. Wait. Jump up. 1, 2, 3. Jump up. Land with your feet first, not your belly. Come here. Oh.
Dad. Go right ahead.
Oh. You're like choking. Okay. You okay, baby? Good. Coughed up some stuff. It's gone. Some water. Okay. Put your head down. Pull it down in the back. Gianna, stop. 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 Okay? Stop. Come here. Okay, ready? Come here. Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Dad. Want to do again? Want to do it again? Okay. Ready? Say hi to Daddy. Say hi, Dad. 1, 2, 3. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Look at Daddy. Say hi, Dad. Come here. Want to do again? Okay, ready? One more time. 1. Melissa, don't do that. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go over here. Let's show Daddy how you stand on my my shoulders. Come here, over here. Over here. Melissa, come here. Oh. You have to go over? Get on my shoulders. Ready? 1. Jump out. Remember? 2, 3. Good job. Remember, jump out. One, two, three.
I didn't mean to.
Where you going, Brandon?
Gigi, it's not snapping.
Okay, one more TNT.
Gigi, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi, Cliff. Hi, Gigi. Hi, Gigi. Throw it, Gigi. All right, you got Mr. Randy's foot.
Whoa! Oh no!
Give me an all right.
Ow! That's with the camera on, see? I can sue you.
Oh, fine. Here, give me more.
Calissa, stay over here, baby. There's Jordan and Austin and Brandon's socializing like usual.
I'm gonna bounce this one off the bed.
Please, bounce it off his feet.
Get it on camera.
It doesn't hurt, Calissa.
Oh no.
Here, come here. Come here, come here, come here. Hold on.
No.
I gotta ask Mommy for some, sweetie.
I have a sparkler.
I see that.
No.
Thunder's just heat my hands.
Yeah, sure. Is that your weather forecaster?
I would trust
Diagnosis?
his weather forecast about as much as I trust
Hey.
his aim.
Hey, this is weather forecast. It's raining sparklers.
It's raining
Get out of the
sparklers.
car, Chris.
I hate that. Everyone will
Yeah, stick that in the gas
What
tank
is everybody honking at?
My grandparents have money.
Yes.
first. Must be Helen tradition.
I'll
Take
step
him
on
out.
them.
Take him out, Chris. and throw him
Yeah.
out.
Apparently, there's another car coming, guys.
Well, I couldn't see it because of the bright light.
Are you trying to hit my daughter on her feet?
Brandon.
You gotta go ask Krista first. Calissa, let's see, baby.
Sorry.
Can't you step on a second?
Okay.
Oh, he's cool. He's so cool. He's
No, don't throw him away. He's my good luck charm.
That's why you're gonna burn his head? Oh, man. Do you understand the Buddha thing? Calissa, Brandon, let's see, guys.
You are the same one as
Let's see, Calissa.
Jordan. Whoa, Jordan. No. Let go. Let go, Jordan. Here. Grab it down here.
Cool, man.